windshield forecast from NBC26.
For a little bit warmer this evening with temperatures still in the lower 20s, 22 degrees. We got those winds coming in out of the west and southwest at 10 miles per hour. It is feeling a little bit cooler though, feeling like 11 degrees. But this morning, a little bit of a different story. We had some snowfall that came through. Take a look at that time lapse and you could see it caused a little bit of a dusting, and we had to drive a little slower on the roadways because some of those untreated roads did not get cleaned right when the snow was falling. But look at the sky. Right around lunchtime and afterwards, we started to see some blue skies move through here, and there was plenty of sunshine since then. Now, how much snowfall did we see? Not a whole lot, just about a dusting to as much as about 2 inches down towards Sheboygan. They had the highest total. There was actually a winter weather advisory for Fond du Lac and Sheboygan counties until noon today. The storm system yesterday that we were tracking actually shifted just a tad north and affected southern parts of Wisconsin a little bit more than what we originally anticipated. But the rest of us, just about a dusting to an inch of accumulation. Nothing really to be causing much of a headache on the roadways. Right now, hardly anything happening, clear skies, and that's going to be the case through the overnight and into tomorrow as high pressure will be moving through from the south. And then there's a secondary high pressure that's going to be way up to the north in Canada behind this cold front. That's going to keep the weather pretty quiet. The only active weather is ongoing down to the south, where there's a very strong line of showers and thunderstorms over the deep south. And then up towards the northeast, they are seeing a little bit of some wintry mix, even some freezing rain and sleet towards Bangor, Maine, and some snow showers farther to the north. But as for us, we're going to be dealing with some comfortable weather and a nice sunny start to the new work week with temperatures in just a little bit cooler, upper teens and lower 20s. 20 degrees in Mountain, 14 in Antigo right now, 22 in Fond du Lac, 17 in Sheboygan. Sturgeon Bay, good evening. You're holding on to 21 degrees right now. Wind chills, a little bit cooler, feeling like -1 in Antigo right now. 11 degrees in Green Bay, 12 degrees both in Oshkosh and Appleton. And we can contribute to those wind chills from those winds coming in out of the west at about 5 to as much as 15 miles per hour. Those winds should start to subside overnight tonight as we have the clear skies overhead. But with the clear skies, we do have the potential for those temperatures to get near that 0-degree mark. About 5 to 10 miles per hour out of the west, then changing out of the northwest. That'll be the case also into tomorrow as we see plenty of sunshine, and that'll kind of continue into the week ahead. 3 degrees is what I'm going with. Northwest winds at about 5 to 10 miles per hour for tomorrow. Another comfortable day. Need the sunglasses and the jacket. 18 degrees for the high. Plenty of sunshine. If you're going to be doing some spearing tomorrow, well, we get into the upper teens by the afternoon, but it's going to be a bit cool. Only 3 degrees by the morning with actually no flurries in that forecast. For the next 3 days, we got lots of sunshine. 40 degrees on Valentine's Day. We'll take that. We do start to cool off just a little bit as we get towards the end of the work week into the weekend, but still rebounding back into the upper 30s and even near 40 degrees once again by Sunday. There is a possibility, Mo, on Thursday that we could have maybe a rain-snow mix, but right now it looks like that cold front very moisture deprived, so I'm keeping it out of the forecast. And Fish and Cameron, they might tweak it as we get closer on.
Well, you know what? I think we all deserve it. After the last few days, we got a little nice week coming up, and it's Valentine's Day on
Valentine's
Wednesday.
Day, 40 degrees, can't go wrong with that.
Perfect day for love to be in the air.
You got it.
Thank you so much, Gino. We'll